me back to my tongue in your mouth. Whoa. I didn't finish munching. So we just finished eating. You guys want to be in the vlog? Yeah? Say hi. I'm gonna see you. Hey guys. You can't see it, only sees your head right now, so. It's Angie. We're at Elsa's casa right now. Elsa's casa? Elsa's castle. Castle, yeah, castle. What are we doing today?
We're about to go swimming.
Not just swimming. Stay tuned for the best out of the best.
You're about to go bumper cars with jet skis.
No.
Bumper cars. I could lose a foot. They better go lose them, and then they go crazy, and then they have to take the other one to go find it.
And then it hits someone that's swimming, and then it chops up their limbs.
They don't use propellers. They use water. It's like
really?
a big water pump. It sucks water.
I thought it used a propeller.
You wanna see?
Well, some of them don't. It's just like
I just get on top and I ride.
And you ride. Pause. Pause. Look at his face, bro. Put that down. Put that down. Put that down. Yeah, see? See? Put that down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Quítate la verga.
Daddy, chill.
Tired. Stop it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just put it in the morning.
Dude, I can't get it in. What?
Okay guys, we're back. Right now we inflated this wrong. I don't know if you can tell, but over here the lump is like this. So they're trying over here to disinflate it, but
Oh my god. We're trying to open it up.
a ver,
You know what I'm saying? Oh wait.
David,
My bad. You've never seen this side of me. Right?
what is going on?
You shaking ass? Get over here. God. You're gonna use 3 fingers?
I can't. Move your fingers. Why?
Abuela, ¿cómo está? Perfect timing. It's Grandma Elsa. Okay, bougie or whatever. Di hi, di hi. Hi. It's by YouTube.
Huh?
It's by YouTube.
Hi.
Oh, she all bougie and stuff. Un bailecito. Ando con mis amigos. Inflando esto.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Bien. ¿Qué se hizo?
Obviamente no.
I'm about to die now for a second.
So where his girl at? Okay.
Hey, there's full accessories wrong.
Yeah, probably. We're Mexican.
Fucking bleeding.
Se cortó, mijito. Sana, colita de Ana. Si no,
¿Culito de Ana?
culito
de Ana.
de rana. Si no sanará hoy, sanará mañana.
You said Ana. Dude, help me out. You're the one that did this. It's pissing me off.
Well, only one hand fits.
Alabaré.
It's getting better.
Oh, it's doing the thing.
Why am I the one hanging out with boys right now? None of these are my boyfriends and
David doesn't
like.
count as a boy.
That's true. You're gay, bro.
Who the fuck said I'm gay? The fuck?
We decided on it.
I am not gay.
¿Quieres un pedicure?
Y'all think I'm gay? That's my
Oh, I have one at home. I just use it after my meets.
Huh?
My cross-country meets.
Oh. Bro walked off with like. Okay, vlog. Let's go check on the boys because I just gave them the flip. So. Ay, sí andan jalando. You guys were changing.
No, we weren't. We already finished. Together. What? We finished together?
Together? See me? No, kidding.
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Apúrenle.
We did most of it. You were over there at the lake.
I was undoing the rope. How many times do I gotta say that? Undoing what, huh? Undoing what? His pants?
Come on down this side.
I think you got it.
No, chill.
Guys,
Oh my
el asador. No. Okay, guys.
Don't drop it on the grass.
Ahorita que llegué, de verdad,
Oye, pero no lo dejen ir. Oh my gosh. Evelyn.
Oh my god. How deep is it?
Not deep.
I thought it was deep. That's why I jumped. Ow, there's rocks. There's rocks.
¿te pegaste?
Ow.
Yeah.
Deep.
He thought it was
¿Hay
deep.
piedras? Uy, sí se cortó.
No manches.
Man, ya me corté el dedo.
Madrina, what you gotta say to that?
Sí, sí se cortó.
Pobrecito. Sana colita de ranas.
Si no se alivia hoy, se alivia mañana.
Eso. So we're gonna. Wait, are you good?
So she was teaching me how to get on. I see.
It's on, no? There you go. Yeah. Other foot, and then you just. There you go. Y te agarras. Yeah. I'm gonna die.
Oh, what the heck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god! It's on my cut. It's in my cut. I'm about to nut. I'm about to nut right now. What are you doing? Is it that hard? Oh my fucking god.
Are you still trying to get in, bro?
No. Quite the opposite.
Quite the opposite.
We're trying to make you stay in.
What the fuck? Alright, buddy. I'll break that damn door down.
Well, make sure you don't grab the handle for a little bit.
What the fuck does that mean? I'm just trying to take a bath, bro. I
It's hot.
feel molested. Do I get her a fucking match
No.
or a lighter?
No? What?
Bruh,
What are you talking about?
get the fuck out of here, bro. This ain't Home Alone.
He said this isn't Home Alone. Hey! That went under my. Hey! Chill! It's the rabbit! Not yet. Fuck. Okay. Record. No, bitch! Holy shit! I don't know if you can see me. Hold on. I'm sweating. Whew.
It's because I just got done fucking him in the ass.
Okay. Dude, I am.
Roman candles was the foreplay.
The cracking wasn't the firework, it was him cracking my ass.
Cracking him.
Dude!
Vlogging going and out of your
Is this for the vlog? Vlog, it's Angie. I'm really happy to be with you guys today. We're going to a fireworks show.
You sound like you're out of breath.
I'm out of breath. I just ran from my house.
Barely, that was like 10 feet.
I'm out of shape. What's today? Wednesday. I had morning practice today. I forgot.
So we're walking right now. We just said, hey guys, hey. That's it, Angie. Hey, there you go. Yeah.
Hey, I got it.
Oh yeah, there you go. Okay, let's not shake ass.
Actually, for one time, I was in my house and I was looking through my favorite mix on Apple Music, and there's a Chinese song in there. I'm being so crazy. It actually pissed me off.
Damn, that's shit loud. The sun is like bothering.
Look at this shit.
Body in here.
You look so good.
Favorite mix. Ah, hell nah. Bro, is it a good song, huh? Did you listen to it? It's good. Bro, it was a good song. You understood the lyrics?
No, I don't know the lyrics.
Cop. She was bad? She was bad. Or he was bad?
Ask Adrian. No, it was a girl. It was a girl. Ask Adrian.
Or he was bad.
Remember the girl? The cop.
It was a he, wasn't it?
It was a dude.
Exactly.
It was a dude.
We know you're gay, bro. So it's hot. He was hot?
Where?
Yeah, this is gonna be the main clip of the video.
Dude, where?
Yeah. Just turn it up.
Oh shit!
Did it shoot in the water?
In the water.
Oh shit! It's still falling! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay.
Hey, Jacka, you can't drive like
David, you're gonna fall forward. So fucking big.
I fall, Piper. I just squish him. Don't guys tell me twice. He choked on his gum. He choked on his gum.
Yeah. Fuck.
Yeah, his gum. More like my.
Your cum.
Whoa! I gave it an 8.5.
Yeah.
0.5. I added the 0.5 because it started shooting at people. So.
Guys.
Hi. How y'all doing? Hi. I'm like in the middle, hold on. Oh yeah, I'm getting the wind now. I'm getting the wind. I'll help you later, don't worry.
Win the song.
Yo! Yo! Can you hug it?
Wanna get a mansion, a jacuzzi, a theater to watch my movies, couple whips and lots of fancy things. The kids they call the Goonies. I see the future, crystal ball.
Hey guys.
Hey guys,
Welcome to the vlog.
welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to David LGYT guys.
Of course. Hey!
Tell you she in love with him, so we ain't saying nothing. You could probably tell she bluffing.